Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, guys. So in today's video we're going to be doing something epic. YouTube's telling me right over here that 87% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. What are you doing with your life? Subscribe right now, because I upload every single week. I try to, at least. Yeah. Anyways, let's not get into that. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload, and peace.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good, guys. So in today's video, as you already know from the title, we'll be unboxing these. Oh wait, what? Where's the headphones go? I know. Let's do a magic trick to get them in here. Oh wow, the magic trick actually worked, guys. Alright, so these are the amazing headphones. These are by Hunter Spider, guys. These look really great right now, right from the box, from the image you guys can see already too. It's got RGB, it has a mic, it has really soft, they're pro gaming headphones written right over here. And I haven't unboxed it, but I'm ready to unbox it, and you guys are ready to see my reactions. Alright guys, so right off the bat, we should always see the specifications and everything written on the box for these headphones. So let's get switch onto that. Okay guys, so here's the English side. You can see the product parameters and everything right over here. There's a bunch of other languages. Alrighty. Yeah, this is just the back side. Hunter Spider, like I said. This looks great. Right on the side, you just have this Hunter Spider logo, and then the front, as you already saw, this is the version 1. It's got this. Yep, you can plug it into your controller. Hunter Spider logo right here. Kind of a premium feel, and same thing over here, and it's little something in Chinese. Yeah. Alright guys, so now that we're in my room, because the PC room was getting a little too noisy, so I'm in my own room right now. If you guys want a room tour, I'd like 15 likes for that, because my room's quite a thing, I need 50 likes for that. Alright guys, so let's just get into the unboxing of these amazing headphones. You already know the specification, guys. So right off the bat, we got like a tiny flip right over here, guys. So we're just gonna flip that open and open the box. Okay, here's what you can see inside. I see the headband type of thing of the headphones right off the bat, covered in bubble wrap. So let's just get this open. Okay, let's pull these out. Oh wait, that's about it. That's everything in the box. And this little tiny thing fell out. What's this supposed to be? Do you guys know what this is? Alright, if you guys know what this is, comment it down below, please. Or maybe I think YouTube disabled comments because they think I'm a minor, which I am actually, because I'm not 18, I'm 13. I just turned 14. It's kind of hard to get used to 14. Anyways, I just turned 14, so yeah, I don't still think that YouTube will allow the comments. So if it's allowed, then comment. If it's not allowed, then spam my Insta or TikTok. So, well, here are the headphones themselves, guys, and here's like a tiny manual that also came in the box. As you can see, it's got all the parts that are inside the whole thing, and a bunch of other languages. Spanish, where's English? Right, here's English. A bunch of other specifications. You guys can pause it. It's not focusing. My camera's not focusing. Okay, it's fine. So there's a bunch of specifications. Put that back in the box. Okay, so now let's get these headphones unwrapped. Okay, now that we have unwrapped these amazing headphones, guys, as you can see, this is how they look. They're kind of bendy, flexible, flexy. Yep. This side, however, the right side of the headphone is a little loose, in a bit it'll just fall out, if you just leave it on the table. As you can see, it's just coming out right now. You see that little space? I can just put it back in. Yeah, there we go. So you see, it's kind of like a little loose, and this side is sturdy. You see, so it's just kind of hard. Okay, It has a microphone in it, which is right over here. It's like this. You cannot turn the microphone. It's not flexible or anything, guys. It's just like a standard microphone you have. The version 3 and version 2 are out on sold, so if you guys want to buy those, you can buy those. I'm reviewing the version 1 because I think they look better than the other two. So they have RGB lightning right over here on the headphone sides, which we'll see in a bit. Alright, so enough for the headphones. Let's see what else is there. So we got this amazing looking wire thingy, you know, so you can shift the volume of your headphones, you know, pretty easy, pretty nice. And it also has a microphone mute and unmute button. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that now. So this is mute, I believe. Yeah, no, this is mute, and that's unmute over there. Okay. So mine's going to be kept on unmute. I mean, that's how you get it originally, which is amazing as well, because you know, it might be turned off, and then you'll be trying to speak, and then none of the voice will be going in thanks to this being turned off. Anyways, alright. So the cable is really nice. It's braided. It's very strong. You know, it's not gonna break very easily. And then we also have two different cables right over here. This one's obviously for the RGB connector, so if you're on Xbox, you can connect this to your Xbox USB hubs, or if you're just gonna connect it to your Xbox controller, you can use just this one. It's a 3.5 millimeter jack. It's got the 4-pin one. Yes, the 4-pin one. So that the microphone and the headphone are both included in this one jack. You don't need a double jack for that. Come to think of it, that silver packet has a double jack. Probably for a PC, you know, because sometimes you got double jacks in that. Okay, so this is how this looks. Cable's pretty nice, black, you know, I like it black. And yeah, let's go into the PC room to check out the RGB. Oh wow, that was pretty smooth, don't you think, guys? If it was, drop a like. Alright guys, so if you guys wanna buy these amazing looking headphones, you guys can get them on Amazon. Link's gonna be in the description. Alright guys, so yeah. And while you're there in the description, be sure to check out all my socials. They're gonna be linked down below. And hit the like button and the subscribe button if you can. And yeah. So we're here for RGB using this connector. Oh, the wire's a bit tangled up. 1 second, please.
A few moments later.
Voila! It's connected, guys. They're on. They are on. Oh yeah, that looks nice. You want me to switch off the lights so I can show you guys? If yes, just stay here. 1 sec. Alright guys. Yes, I know it is all black. You guys can see a little bit of me through the light over here. So here are the headphones. The light's pretty what we call bright, and you can see me right there, you know, chilling with my headphones, vibing through the RGB. It is pretty good, guys. Alright, that's enough darkness. Let's have the lights back on. Alright guys, so now that the lights are back on, I'm still wearing the headphones. Yep. Alright guys, so I have just finished testing these headphones, and overall I'm really amazed. You know, I did not expect much of them because they were only around 50 to AED, I think. And yeah. Oh, yeah, this thing got loose again. I told you guys it keeps on getting loose. I just left it on the table for a second. Yeah, okay, there we go. It's not back. Okay, so as I was saying, I tested these out. They're pretty amazing. I got outstanding results, guys. So the bass is very controlled in this. Everything's like loud if you want it to be loud. I mean, that's how you headphones for the volume to be louder, you know. They are amazing. I like the scroll wheel type thing right over here, guys, because it helped me a lot. You know, sometimes it can get a little loud, sometimes normal, you know. I keep my volume on my PC like at around 8% because these are actually that loud and I'm not used to that loud. So this is good in a way and bad in a way. Depends on how you see it. The microphone is pretty nice, crystal clear voice. All my teammates could hear me amazingly in the game. And yeah, the ears, this ear cover thing is very soft. It's like a cushion, leather covered. It's got like a nice stitching over here. It looks good. There's also like a headrest, and I talk about this. This makes it so much more easier and so much more, you know, comfortable to wear these headphones, guys. And overall, I got no complaints. They are very comfortable, lightweight as well. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and peace.